Not every NBA star relied solely on natural talent. Some of the league's brightest players also excelled in the classroom, earning college degrees before or even during their professional careers. Today, we're highlighting NBA athletes who not only dominate on the court, but also prove their dedication to education. These are the players who show that knowledge, discipline, and hard work pay off in every arena.
But yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video to other people.